Hey everyone, Coach Berkowitz here. I just wanted to give you a few tips on how to navigate your Canvas course. So after you log in and you click on the Texas History course tile, like on your home area, you'll be taken to this home screen. So this is for social studies or Texas history. On your home screen, you'll find the modules, you'll find a link that'll take you to your grades in Hack, your My Katie Cloud, your announcements, and then this will take you to a module within the course. You can also find my contact information here and the tutorials schedule. So you can see when my tutorials are, and you can see when the other Texas history teachers have their tutorials as well. And you're welcome to attend any of these. After you've gone and looked through that, at the top you'll see where it says Zoom meeting information. You can click there on the announcement. From now on, after you click on this, you can actually go to this Zoom button on the side and it'll take you directly to the meeting. So you'll just click on it for your class period and it will take you there. You don't have to type in a password or anything like that. The main things on this screen that you really want to know are announcements and modules. So announcements are where you'll find like Zoom meeting information if something's going on with that, or maybe something is due that I want to remind you of. So make sure you check out the announcements when you come into the course. Then you're going to want to head over to modules. So you can click on modules here and you'll see things you'll need all year. And then our first module, which is week 1, getting started. Make sure you're already logged in to your Google account, your KDISD Google account, because some of these things require you to already be in that. Things you'll need all year include things like ISN Help. It just kind of walks you through your ISN, your interactive student notebook. And then the ISN table of contents will be kind of important. It's going to help keep you organized throughout the semester. After you've gone and looked through that, you'll go to week 1, getting started. So the modules are set up pretty much the same each week. So you'll see the day, the date, and then the things underneath that day that you'll need. So attendance due now will be on every module for each day. And you'll want to make sure that you do those. That's how I'll know that you've participated in the class. So you'll click on that, answer the question. It's just a discussion. Then after that, you'll go to the first page. Most of them will have a title and then followed with a we will, and then the next one will have a title followed by the I will. So always start with the we will. You'll click on that. And it'll take you to a page that looks similar to this one. Now this is where it's really important that you're logged into your KDISD Google account already, because as you can see, it comes up with this weird message. I'm in student view, and because I'm not a student, I don't have a KDISD login, but you do, and down here, it'll show you the slides that we'll be using for that day. So again, make sure that you are logged into your Google account, and then it will ask you to hit authorize. There will be a button at the bottom that's like bluish colored. Make sure you click on that after you've logged in. You'll see that it has the objectives that we'll be covering for the day. And then it also has the discussion post for the attendance again. So if you missed it in the first little section, you can click on it after you've already gone into the we will. Then you can scroll down and you'll see like activity, or there'll be something else possibly after the slides. So make sure you go all the way to the bottom. So in this case, it gives you the link to the Kahoot that we'll be using on our first day. And then you can click next and it'll take you to the I will. This is the stuff that you will be responsible for doing, usually on your own. So again, you see objectives, the I will, it'll give you a list of things that you'll be doing that day. And then directions. So anything that's in blue like this is a link. So you'll want to click on those. So this will take you to a Google version of the ISN cover page. Again, if you're not logged into your Google account, it won't work. So make sure you're logged in. I usually will post the PDF version as well. And then there's an example down here. So go through the entire I will module and make sure that you get everything. You'll also want to check out the syllabus. So that's how the modules work. They're usually set up pretty much the same way. You also want to go through the syllabus on the side here, and it's just going to give you some quick little information on like late grade policy, how that goes about, the retest policy, and then some of the materials you'll need and how things are graded. So make sure you go through the course and kind of play around, see all the things that it has to offer. And if you need any other help, let me know.